Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make G major 62 on KineMaster. So creating a G major 62 effects in KineMaster involves modifying the audio using pitch shifting, reverb, and inversions effect. And this is a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So first, you can just import your video or audio. If you are using a video like I do here, and then you need to extract the audio first, you can click on the video on the timeline and scroll down until you find the extract audio options, this one. So once the audio has been extracted, you can just duplicate the extracted audio twice. So you have 3 layers of audio. Click on the audio and tap on this three dots icon on the top left corner. Tap on duplicate 2 times. Now there are 3 layers of audio, and you can just apply the audio effects. So for the first layer of the audio, you can just leave it as it is, so keep this unchanged. And on the second layer of the audio, you can just shift the pitch down. So select the audio and then go to the audio filters or click on the mixers in here and apply the pitch down. So you can just lower the pitch negative from to -2 or 3, like this. Now let's click on the third layer or the last layer of the audio and apply the pitch up. So you can just tap on mixer again and increase the pitch into +2 or 3, like this. And now you can just add some reverb effect. Here, for example, I'm going to go with the echo room. Okay, go back, and now you can adjust the audio timing and volume. You can slightly offset the layers, so move them a few milliseconds apart. So here on the second one, I'm going to move a little bit like this. So, and also the next one. And now you can just reduce the volume of duplicate layers to blend the effects smoothly. Click on the second one and here mixer and lower it a bit. And also the third one. Now you can just preview the result by playing the video.
This morning I was eating my favorite
Okay,
sandwich, but it didn't
so
taste
this
very
is the major 62 effect. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.